Let me show you how to make Edo Black Soup with palm oil. No banga paste needed. Look at how dark and rich this is. Most people think you need banga to get this color, but I'm showing you the easy palm oil method that gives you this authentic Edo Black Soup every single time. If you have been searching for how to make Edo Black Soup without banga, this is for you. Hi everyone, my name is Mo. Welcome back to my channel. Now let's get straight into it. Here are the ingredients we need. We need beef, smoked panla fish, Pomo, Stockfish, Periwinkle, dried catfish, onions, Ogiri, palm oil, Uziza leaves, saint leaves, bitter leaves, Cameroon pepper, atarudo, seasoning cube, and salt. List of ingredients will be in the description box. To begin, I'm adding my beef, onions, seasoning cubes, and salt into the pot. I'll mix everything together. Then you notice that I'm not adding water yet. We are going to let it cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. This helps the meat to release its own juice and develop deeper flavor. So while that is cooking, let's prepare the fish. I've soaked my stockfish in hot water to soften it. Now I'll debone it and set it aside. Then I'm going to do the same thing with my dried catfish. I'm going to wash it and debone it, also set it aside. I'll also be using panla fish for this recipe. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I share authentic Nigerian recipes every week. I already made okra soup and egusi soup, and today is my third video, Edo Black Soup. If you love Nigerian food, please hit that subscribe button and turn on bells so you don't miss any recipe. Now let's continue with our soup. Okay, let's check on our meat. The meat has cooked for a while, so I'm going to add enough water to cover everything, then give it a stir, let it cook for another 20 minutes. While that is cooking, let's prepare our vegetables. This is very important for black soup. We are using 3 types of leaves. The first one is Uziza leaves. I'm removing the leaves from the stems, just the leaves, don't need the stems. Set those aside. So the next is the saint leaves. I did the same thing. I removed the stems. This gives amazing aroma to the soup. I also do the same thing to the bitter leaves, and I put each in the separate bowl. I didn't put them together. So after doing that, I rinse the Uziza leaves with clean water and then the saint leaves as well, then set them aside in their different bowls. So for the bitter leaves, we need to do something extra. We have to remove the bitterness so our soup won't taste bitter. I add some salt. After rinsing the bitter leaves, I added some salt to the bitter leaves, and then I use my hand to wash and squeeze. This process of washing the bitter leaf is very, very important, because if you don't wash it at all, if you just blend it like that, it will be really, really bitter and you won't be able to eat it. So you have to take your time and just wash it. And you might be lucky to get the one that's been washed in the market as well. They sell it, but you have to taste it first before you just go ahead and use it without washing it again. So you just have to repeat the process I talked about, like add salt, wash, squeeze, rinse. Yeah, you keep doing this until you taste it and you are satisfied with the bitterness, like with the bitterness level. Some people like it a little bitter, but some don't at all. So if you want it to be a little bit bitter, like I do, you can just make sure that you taste it while washing and you say that, okay, I can tolerate this bitterness, then you can go ahead and use it. And if you cannot, please continue the process till you are satisfied with the bitterness, or you can just remove bitter leaf altogether. You can just use your saint leaves and Uziza leaves. That works fine as well. But if you want the authentic Edo Black Soup, I'm sorry, you have to use bitter leaf. Just make sure you wash it till you're satisfied. So when you're done washing it, you squeeze out the water like this and set aside. Now let's check on our beef. You can see that it has cooked nicely. It's really soft. So we are going to set that aside and blend our pepper mix. In my blender, I've added my atarudo, onions, and Cameroon pepper. I go in with little water, then blend it until very, very smooth, because we want everything smooth. In your pot, go in with your palm oil and let it get really hot before going in with your pepper mix. After that, I added my Pomo, stockfish, dried catfish, beef, and smoked panla fish. Then I go in my seasoning cubes and just a little salt. Remember, we are still going to add our meat stock later, and that already has seasoning in it, so you have to be careful. I give everything a good stir to combine, then I cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. I would advise you let your palm oil get really hot before you go in with your pepper mix, so that you will not be getting that raw palm oil taste, that sleepy palm oil taste in your soup. That is really the secret right there if you are not using banga paste. Now I'm going to blend all the leaves together, the bitter leaf, the saint leaf, and the Uziza leaves with some Cameroon pepper and Ogiri. I'm going to add just little water so that it will not be watery. So while that is going on, please, I need your help for just a second. I'm building this channel from scratch, and right now I have just 15 subscribers. If you're enjoying this Edo Black Soup recipe, please hit that like button. It really helps me grow. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button. I'm working towards 50 subscribers and you could be one of them. Also, drop a comment below. Have you ever tried Edo Black Soup before? Or what Nigerian soup should I make next? I read every comment. Our soup has cooked nicely. I'm going to give it a stir. Then I'll pour in the meat stock, all that flavorful liquid from the cooking beef, and I'm going to give it another stir and cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes or until it boils. Actually, when it starts boiling, then we are going to come back to it. So let me remind you that this black soup is actually good for your body. It helps you to detoxify I don't know if I'm pronouncing it the right way. So now I'm going to go in with the blended vegetables. That is after the stock has boiled with the soup base. Then I'm going in with the periwinkle, some crayfish. You can be generous with your crayfish. I'm managing my own because it's quite expensive over here. So then I'm going to give it a good mix. I'll make sure that I mix everything together. You can see that I'm taking my time to do that. If not, you might not get the best out of it. Ensure that you mix everything together, the sauce combined with the green vegetable, then you cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. This is authentic black soup made with just palm oil, no banga paste at all. The color is perfect, the aroma is incredible. You can enjoy this black soup with any Nigerian swallow of your choice: eba, semo vita, fufu, amala, starch, pounded yam. You can also have it with white rice or boiled yam. Some people even eat it on its own, just like that, because it is delicious. If this recipe was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Nigerian recipes. Comment below, let me know what you think or what soup I should cook next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.